How to create AI art for social media posts. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI art for your social media posts in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to any AI image generator. You can use tools like ChatGPT Image Creator, Midjourney, Canva AI, or Adobe Firefly. In my case, I'm using Canva because it's quick and easy to work with. Once you're inside, log into your account. Now here, click on the Canva AI option and go to the Image section. Now type a clear prompt describing the kind of art you want. For example, create a modern neon-style cityscape for Instagram. Or you can also type, generate a cute 3D character for a social media post. Or make a pastel aesthetic background for quotes. The more details you add, like colors, style, mood, or format, the better the result you'll get. Once you send your prompt, the AI will generate your artwork in a few seconds. If you want a different style or variation, just ask for more options, like, make it brighter. Give me 5 more versions. Change the color theme. When you're satisfied with the result, click to download the image. Now you can go to any editing app you use and upload the image. Add text, branding, or any extra elements to make it perfect for your social media post. Export it, upload it to your platform, and you're ready to go. That's all for the video.